Struggling with slow hair growth and thinning strands? I feel you, and today we're diving deep into Fleava Hair Growth to see if it's the real deal. Okay, so first things first, Fleava Hair Growth claims to boost hair growth, strengthen follicles, and improve overall hair health. We are going to see if this is true. Let's talk results. A lot of Fleava Hair Growth reviews highlight significant growth over a period of a few months. You can see in this picture, users have reported faster hair growth than normal. Now, how to use it? You'll apply it to the scalp, focusing on areas where you want to stimulate growth. Make sure to massage it in for a few minutes to promote absorption. But what's inside? The star ingredients here are biotin, Q vitamins, and herbal extracts known for their hair-boosting properties. Make sure to always look at the labels and ensure you are not allergic to any of the ingredients. What are the side effects? Some users report increased scalp sensitivity or minor breakouts. If you experience any adverse reactions, discontinue use immediately. So, the big question, is it worth it? Based on the user reviews, ingredient list and our research, Fleava Hair Growth seems like it might be a valuable tool for you, but it's not a miracle cure. Remember to manage your expectations, as it depends on the person using this product, but it's worth a try.